Emery, a whimsical inventor, strolls through Mistwood, her vibrant presence sparking hope amidst the town's muted colors and overcast sky. Determined and curious, she strides to her workshop, envisioning remarkable creations that could brighten their dreary world with animated inspiration. In her chaotic workshop, Emery immerses herself in vibrant gadgets, eagerly working on the Cloudshaper, excitement radiating from her focused expression. With a flick of the switch, her creation springs to life. A playful cloud bunny, infusing her workshop with magic and endless possibilities. Emery beams as villagers engage with her whimsical cloud creatures, their laughter filling Mistwood with warmth, camaraderie, and vibrant animated energy. United with her cloud friends, Emery stands firm against the storm, embodying hope as a magnificent rainbow emerges, promising a brighter future.